So the weekend is about coming home to ourselves. So what this means is that we all want to have greater happiness and to find greater ease and well-being. But when we look more deeply, we find that it's not so much about just finding things outside of ourselves, trying to change that. And it's not so much even in our meditation practices. It's not about striving to get somewhere, to be different. It's more to do with that recognition that all the happiness and causes of happiness are within us. So in meditation practice, it's about coming home, letting the mind settle into its true nature, finding that natural ease within our own heart and mind. So it's a path of no struggle, simply being spacious, easy with ourselves, encouraging the mind to arrive at its true nature. Then similarly, with practices of loving kindness and compassion, it's all based on the fact that we have that love and compassion within us, and it's just a matter of how we focus. So with love, it's simply a matter of allowing ourselves to reflect in a way which encourages a natural response, a loving response of the heart. Similarly with compassion, it's not just about feeling the suffering of others, which can sometimes, when we experience that or witness it, just gives rise to anger, sadness, some distress, but actually using compassion meditation as a vehicle for a compassionate response of the heart, that deep wish for others to be free of suffering and its causes. And so all these practices together, as we explore them together, we'll be having discussion groups, breakout groups on Zoom, that is, and be guided practices, and we'll be exploring these different forms of meditation together to give ourselves confidence in our capacity to come home, to find our natural inherent wisdom, love and compassion, and as we settle more and more into that, finding a natural ease and well-being.